my name is Adil Saqib and today I'm going to be talking about my chemicals. The chemicals are acid, bases, salts, solvents and indicators. So first let's start with the acids and bases. First off we have hydrochloric acid solution diluted HCl, which is acidic in nature. Then we have sulfuric acid, which I've used a lot, diluted solution H2SO4, which is also acidic in nature. This is sodium hydroxide, dilute solution NaOH, and is basic in nature and has a pH of 13. So now I'm going to be talking about my salts. Let's begin. I've stored it in a box from oxidization and also put small packets of silica. That's for oxidation. So we'll start with zinc. You can hear it's almost empty, but it's used a lot to make hydrogen gas. Then we have sulfur. Sulfur is S and is yellow in color. After that we have starch powder, which is also used in the kitchen to make soups. It is also used in the laboratory for some reason. Then we have copper. Copper reacts with nitric acid, so it is useful in long term. अभी तो नहीं है, but planning to get. Then we have iron nails, keel. So small pieces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and they react with HCl, sulfuric acid to form hydrogen gas and aluminum chloride, I think. Then we have beryllium hydroxide, which have mixed with a lot of chemicals, which is half empty. Okay. Then we have sodium sulfate, a small tube which I have not used at all, and the sign is Na4SO4. I think this is acidic. Then we have sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda, which if it's mixed with acetic acid makes carbon dioxide gas. Then we have zinc sulfate, which also I have not used, and the number is ZnSO4. Then we have beryllium hydroxide again, not used at all, and the sign is Ba in brackets OH2. Aluminum foil fully empty, used everything, nothing, empty box. Then we have calcium carbonate, number is CaCO3. Then we have potassium dichromate, which is a powerful oxidizer and is also pH indicator, and the sign is K2Cr2O7. Then sodium carbonate again, and the sign is Na2CO3. I think I said this. Then we have beryllium chloride, that was hydroxide, this is chloride, which is BaCl2H2O, which also I think is neutral or would be acidic. Then we have calcium hypochlorite, also known as bleaching powder, which is also found in bleaches, and I think it's also found in those Harpic powder. Then we have aluminum chloride, which also we have used, almost done. Then magnesium ribbon, which is also if you burn this on fire, it does not turn off because it takes oxygen from the air, and even if you put water on it, it sucks the oxygen from the water and burns more. So, and the sign is Mg, magnesium. Then you have potassium permanganate, it's an extremely strong oxidizer and reacts with hydrogen peroxide to form oxygen gas. And it has a purple pigment if mixed in water. After all, we have sodium acetate, which is also acidic in nature, and the chemical formula is CH3COONA in brackets. Last two, sodium chloride, also known as table salt, but this will be laboratory grade, and calcium hydroxide, which is a very powerful base and is almost like sodium hydroxide. Then you have citric acid crystals and a silica gel packet, nothing else, and a spoon. Now we'll move on to the indicators and the solvents. First we have Nessler's reagent, which is a ammonia indicator, and the formula is K2HDI4. Afterwards we have ferric chloride solution, which is FeCl3, which I have not used too much, but just a little bit, just to do the pH testing. Then we have phenol red, which is the indicator, and the chemical formula is C19H1405 and S. Then we have phenolphthalein, which is a pH indicator, shows purple in a base and colorless in acidic solution, and the formula is P20H1404. Then we have iodine solution, which is also used in medical products and is also used in some mouthwashes such as betadine, and this I've just used for pH testing again with pH paper, and the formula is Ki plus 1,2.